106, nigga. Pirate with the pirate.
What is good, y'all? Your boy Arrow Hoodie is back again today. Based upon the title of this video, I'm doing a Jack in the Box mukbang part 2. Now if you're asking me why the hell I'm doing a part 2, it's because the first part was done when I was in high school and shit. And yeah, that's when I had like low-key bad editing skills. Plus I'm no longer friends with Spend Dog. Well, his real name was Spencer, but I called him Spend Dog back then. So we're doing a part 2 version, this time with me in college. Yes, sir. And by the way, in case y'all are asking, no, I don't have any riz and I didn't get any bitches yet, but eventually it's gonna happen. Just gotta wait for the perfect time. Anyways, y'all, see y'all when I get the food. Alrighty, y'all, so we just got everything presentable. All the ketchup, all the taco sauce, the cheesecakes, and the munchie meal with the tacos, chuck sandwich, onion rings. Alright, so what should I try first? Let me think that. Alright, y'all, so I think the first thing I'm gonna start with is the taco, because the last time I had this for delivery, it sucked ass, but I'm doing another review on it. Alright, let's do it. The shell is still dry as hell, but that lettuce and cheese combo slaps, to be honest. Alright, next item. Right, y'all, so I think the next item I'm gonna try is the onion rings. These I've actually never had before, so I'm interested to try them. Hopefully they don't taste like shit like Sonic stuff. Okay. They're better than Sonic, but it needs to be more on the savory side and have the batter because it's close to too sweet. So I'd rate this a C. For the tacos, that's an S, no cap. Alright, next item. Alrighty, y'all, next up's gonna be our curly fries. This one's gonna be quick though, because I've reviewed this before in the last video of doing Jack in the Box reviews. They're not hot anymore, but it's still pretty good. A tier. Also, y'all, I am doing a little intermission here. So I'm trying the Red Bull Mountain Berry Infusion. Shit's pretty good. Also, look at the cover work on here. I think it's for like the Deadpool versus Wolverine thing. It looks pretty cool. Alrighty, also for our last item today, we got the cheesecakes. I skipped the chicken sandwich because I have a class at 2:40 p.m. so I don't have time to deal with that shit. But anyways, let's try this thing for the second time. Yep, this is pretty good.
Yeah. D. Hold on. D. Hold on. Yeah. Cactus plant all on my force. Cactus. These ain't no regular kicks. Nah. Between you hearing the horse. This ain't no regular whip. D. Exotic, my weed is important. This ain't no regular split. She give me head in the morning. This ain't no regular bitch. Chalk. Can't do no regular shit. Can't do no regular shit. Narcotic on all of my garments. Can't do no regular drip. Not from this earth, I'm not normal. Can't do no regular shit. Can't do no regular shit. Can't do no regular shit.